A food trail in Penang. Today, my brother-in-law and sister took me to Garden Cottage, located on number 20th, Lorong Pulau Tikus in Pulau Tikus. This place is amazing. It brought back memories of typical Malaysian gardens, where you can see lemongrass, pandan leaves, downcado, all blooming and growing green in your garden. And not only that, in the middle of the garden there was a rambutan tree with a few bunches of rambutan still green. Reminded me of my grandma's house, where I used to climb up the rambutan tree plucking the ripe rambutan when they become red. So Garden Cottage really brings back that childhood memory of being in the typical Malaysian garden. Take a look and see. Go and check this place out, because it's not just dining, it's an experience itself, being close to the flora and fauna of Malaysia. This is a typical Malaysian garden. The few plants that you can see and notice in a typical Malaysian garden is, most of the time they have lemongrass, which is also used in the food, cooking, and then you have the basil leaf, the Thai basil leaf that can be easily used in any cuisine, even Thai, and also the pasta. In the middle of the garden, look out for these rambutan trees. And then go ahead and enter inside this cozy restaurant with lampshade, beautiful curtains, just so cozy. Also, the best for me is the tiramisu. I highly recommend the tiramisu. Definitely a cozy time with family. We already had breakfast, so this was just tea time, a little dessert for us. This building is a colonial architecture and now preserved into a beautiful dining area. 20 Lorong Pulau Tikus. So go ahead and check it out. Check out this beautiful colonial architecture that is a heritage and that is preserved so well. And at the same time, the garden is a delightful place to just sit and enjoy a relaxing time. And definitely some coffee, some brunch, beautiful dining experience that you can find. So I end this, and I think the best is to go and experience this for yourself. Nothing that I say could bring all the atmosphere, the ambience, and the relaxed mood. Such a beautiful vibe, I would say. So go ahead and check it out. This was one of my discovery for today. During my food trail, I'm back in Penang. And also, just to share, I have 3 missing cats. So if you like to find them, go ahead and find them too. There are maybe only 2 left. So have a good experience. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Hit the like button if you have been there and you love it. Let me know. If you would like to check it out, let me know and I'll send you, DM you the address so you can find it easily. So don't forget, like, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more updates and more discovery and adventure for our foodie trail. Thanks for now. Bye.